What is up, guys? This is Chris with Leveling Up Your Finances, and today we have a good one. GameStop unveils crypto and NFT wallet shares jump 3%. If you guys remember anything about like January, February timeframe, 2021, I believe, if you guys were into the whole GameStop and taking down the hedgies, this is pretty cool. So I know you guys can appreciate this. And after this, we're going to go into a little bit of fun with Robinhood, the arch and nemesis of GameStop, if you remember correctly. But anyways, let's just get into it. This is pretty cool and cool news. As of right now, you can get a beta version of self-custodial Ethereum wallet. It is now available for download on GameStop's website, which is pretty sweet. It's kind of interesting. I'm going to definitely check this out. Video game retailer GameStop has unveiled a digital asset wallet for storing, sending, and receiving crypto and non-fungible tokens or any NFTs ahead of the launch of its NFT marketplace later this year. So everyone's getting into this. It's pretty crazy. The NFTs are like now the wild west of cryptocurrencies, which are already the wild west. But anyways, I digress. A beta version of the self-custodial Ethereum wallet is available to download now, so right now, from the GameStop website. The wallet will enable gamers to send and receive in-game assets without having to leave their website, their web browsers. Kind of sounds familiar to, I think it's off the top, I think it's Engine, E-N-G-E-N-J, Engine, or Gala. One of those game ones, it sounds kind of like that, which is pretty cool. I need to look into those guys. GameStop in the fourth quarter earnings report in March announced its plans to start an NFT marketplace by the end of July. That's interesting as well. The firm partnered with Layer 2 system Immutable X for its marketplace, which will sit atop the Ethereum blockchain. Shares of GameStop will trade on the New York Stock Exchange, shares of GameStop were trading on New York Stock Exchange up 2.67%. That's not 3%. It's almost 3, but it's not. At 98.21. So GameStop is definitely lower than its all-time highs of last year, but that's still pretty good. So a lot of people are still hodling GameStop for sure. If the prices are still up there, that's pretty nuts. But of course, I see this when I'm looking at it. I was like, how ironic is that? So we're just going to jump into that one. That one's pretty funny too. Like the irony, the arch nemesis of GameStop, Robinhood, plans to a Web3 crypto wallet for DeFi traders, NFT buyers. I'm sorry. I think I'm getting the Rona, so my voice is shot lately. Or, I mean, it might just be the allergies of the summer starting out. I'm dying here. If you can't tell, my voice is extra scratchy. Robinhood's new custodial wallet will cater to the advanced crypto users and live separately from the existing wallet. Joanne, K. Brat. All right. Well, anyways, so if you guys know that Robinhood already has a wallet now, it's still very new, but this is going to be a new wallet for the most advanced crypto users or something. So trading firm Robinhood plans to roll out a new crypto wallet focused on decentralized finance, or DeFi, for customers who want to participate in the crypto economy by the end of 2022. Basically, it's the same thing. It's just going to give you a little bit more, like, I guess, user friendliness, and then you can do whatever you want with it versus whatever they have now. I don't even use it because Robinhood's horrible, but I still have my Robinhood account. I'm hodling a lot of bags in Robinhood accounts, so that's the only reason I keep it open. So Robinhood CEO Vlad, I hate that guy, teased that the Web3 crypto wallet, it's a permissionless conference in Palm Beach, Florida on Tuesday. The announcement follows last month's launch for the more tightly controlled crypto wallet, basically a halfway house for users moving tokens in and out of Robinhood brokerage account. I think that's definitely a smart move, because that was one of their biggest issues with crypto in the first place. You never actually held it. They held it for you. It was more like IOUs of crypto versus you actually having a wallet and being, like, I guess not physically, but yeah, physically able to hold on to your cryptocurrencies yourself. Users of the entirely separate Web3 wallet will be able to lend, stake, yield farm, and even buy NFTs, much as they might on MetaMask wallet. And that's a good thing too, because yeah, if you can't stake or any of that type of stuff, again, it just gives you a little bit more capabilities. Oh, there, those capabilities do not exist in Robinhood's earlier wallet. Yeah, I always love jumping ahead of myself. It was not immediately clear which blockchain the custodial wallet intends to support. So that's an interesting one. We don't know on what blockchain it will be working with. I'm just going to assume Ethereum, but that's just me assuming. I have no idea. Maybe they'll go for one of the other ones. I don't know. We'll find out. So it'll begin testing in the summer with a waitlist now open. It's slated for direct competition with Coinbase own offering. So that's another one. Coinbase is going to be pushing theirs out as well. Both investing giants are making it easier for crypto trading customers to actually deploy assets into DeFi without leaving their wallet ecosystems. Coinbase's Web3 wallet is integrated. Robinhood's is not. New wallet will specifically cater to users who seek out advanced use cases of crypto. And then for Jay Cabrat, I don't know how to say his name. Cabrat. I don't know. I don't care. We see the new product as a kind of brother of Web3. Okay. That's the direction we're all going anyways, right? So building this product is effectively a browser. Okay, good to know. The wallet will allow users to purchase and store NFTs, earn yield on assets, and access a host of tokens not currently available on Robinhood. And that's another good one because right now you only have options of like 10 cryptos on Robinhood. I know they have some new ones like Shiba. What is it? Shiba Inu. I think Polkadot's on there. I can't remember all of them because I just never use it anymore. But anyways, that's cool. So let's give us some... Again, dying. Let's give us some more tokens. And again, Robinhood's for those super retail users, like the new people that are just trying to start. It's an online casino is what Robinhood is. Let's be real. And it's amazing. And I loved Robinhood into that whole thing with GameStop. All right, just to finish up, guys, we want to give the users the last piece missing to access the Web3 space, said Jay Cabrat. This guy's probably a really nice guy. I'm just slaughtering his name. Anyways, guys, so that is pretty interesting. I thought it was some great little news. Definitely with the GameStop brought up a little nostalgia from my childhood and, last year. And then, of course, the irony that Robinhood is also releasing a new wallet. All right, guys, at the end of the day, remember to stay awesome and keep loving each other because I love you.